Hello, my Altlings. My name is Rain. I'm actually going to do an unboxing video. I've already prepped my face and beyond nervous. First time I've done this. Been wanting to get into the makeup thing for a while now. Slowly but surely, practicing, getting better at it. But I wanted to start doing tutorials and things like that. But today we're going to start with the unboxing of the Prince palette and Prince product. I was very excited when I heard that Urbandecay was coming out with this. A little pricey, absolutely. I want to apologize for the sound in here. I'm actually in my bathroom because my office is full of crap right now, so I can't go in there and film. But like I said, I've already prepped my face, so once I get this done, do a little bit of makeup for you, hopefully, maybe, we'll see. I'm going to use my trusty knife, gift from one of my best friends. It's got double blades, because I'm special. I'm going to unbox first everything else, and then I'll go into the palettes. Let's see. None of this is scripted, by the way. This is just, I'm winging it. This is how we do. Let me see. Watch me just murder myself down here. So if you hear noises as well, I have 2 cats and a chihuahua. All wonderful rays of sunshine in my life. Alright, so again, the palette kit is on the expensive side. It's $250. I tried to get it on pre-order, was not successful, so I said screw it and ordered everything individually before everything was sold out. So in this package is the brush, the highlighters, wow, the highlighters, When Doves Cry. This is adorable. It is. But I have a bone to pick with Urbandecay. Just saying. We'll get to that here in a minute. There are 5 products in this package. So this is how it's wrapped. Again, I wasn't able to get the pre-order on the kit. So everything is going to come separately. The kit was really cute. That's all I gotta say about that. It was really cute. So this is our illuminator. Okay. See that? That is awesome packaging. Then we have, oh, that's opened. Now mind you, I got these yesterday and I've been dying to open them. And they're already partially open for me anyway. That's sad. The black and white eyeliners. Alright, and oh, my face brush. Nice little packaging there. I'm debating whether to throw the packaging away after I'm done because it's awesome. And then the setting powder. Alright, so let's open these up. Over time, I learned to do my makeup, YouTube tutorials. My favorite one, I have to do a shout out to Nikki Tutorials. Thank you, girl, for just showing me how it's done. This powder packet is amazing. Look at that. Love it. And that's a translucent powder. That is an amazing little thing there. Of course, everything's backwards, so apologies. All right, so then we have, the mirror and the powder. Oh, I can't wait. Much excite. The inside of the box is pretty cool, too. Look at that. And also, I apologize for the lighting. I have 2 ring lights. I turned one of them off because it made me look like a freaking zombie. I promise I am not this pale, and my foundation actually matches my skin tone. It's just the lighting. Here we go. Ooh, fancy. All right, liquid face and wow, I can't read that. Décolletage. It's illuminator. So there's the bottle. Looks pretty neat. But I've already prepped my face, so unfortunately I won't be using this. I wanted to be prepped because I don't look so great without the makeup, just saying. And the pencils were amazing when I saw them online, and they're amazing in person. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Whoa. I don't know if they're meant to be that way. This is so weird. Trying to get a good focus here. You see that? It's curved. That's interesting. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say no, it's not supposed to be that way. Urbandecay. What are you doing to me? Do the white one now. Also gorgeous. And speak of the devil, here we have the first animal. Maybe they are to be curved, I'm not sure. If anybody else has them like this, let me know. This is very interesting. And that's Mr. Really? Okay, and then the brush I have been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting for all of it, but still. Mister, if you don't stop, I'm gonna pick you up and everybody's gonna see you. And we all know how much you love being picked up. I would like to keep this video short. I can't guarantee it. Again, my first time. And this is pretty much going to go unedited. And this is I need attention now, which, you know, he is so deprived and never gets. Here's the brush. Very cool. Oh, that is nice. Very nice. Bristles are pretty sweet and nice and smooth. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now for the important part of this video. The palettes I saw. Now, back to the bone picking issue with Urbandecay. I was looking at the names of the colors on the palettes, and I have to say I'm a little disappointed. You know, just a little. Oh, also, because I have 3 animals, you'll see me messing with my face a lot, pulling off those wonderful little hairs that they like to leave. So, I'm sorry, again. All right, so each palette was $55. The kit itself in total, the pre-order was $250. So, for the palettes, it came up to $119. And for the 2 eyeliners, the brush, the hydration, let's see, translucent powder, all that came up to $155 $9.90. Yep. Nice, same type of bubble wrap packaging. Not too protected. I'm a little disappointed. You know, for expensive palettes, just some normal bubble wrap and off you go. So I am crossing my fingers that these palettes are okay, or y'all are gonna get to see the rain. All right, so the first palette, let me see if they have individual names on these. Just eyeshadow palette, so one's purple, of course, and then the other one's black. I'm not seeing. Okay. This is the Let's Go Crazy shadow palette. And this one is the Prince You Got the Look eyeshadow palette. Now, I'm rechecking to make sure. But no, like I said, disappointed. Not one color in this palette is named Purple Rain. Not one. Not even the name of the palette. So yeah, much disappointment there. All right, so let's go to Prince You Got the Look eyeshadow. And we'll go through all these. The colors: Sexy Dancer, Crystal Ball, Endorphin Machine, Get Off, Love to the Nines, So Dark, Bold Generation, The Artist, Groovy Potential, and Shockadelica. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. It has a, oh, okay. So it comes like this, and then you take off the cardboard, and it has his symbol right there. So much excitement over that. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. All right. Oh, fingers crossed they're okay. Ooh. All right, casing is pretty. Shadows are okay. All right, so here are the shadows for you. I know, I'm sorry, the light's not really doing any justice for them. I mean, I could try turning on my other light, but we'll see how that goes. Oh, wrong light. Don't know if you can look at those better. There's those. Okay. All right. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I want to say the pans, for me, just a little small. The pigment is what I'm going to be worried about. Purples are the hardest shade to, forgive me. The purples are the hardest shades to get right from what everybody says and from what I've seen. So there's that. But the colors in here look absolutely gorgeous, amazing. Shockadelica is actually really pretty. And So Dark, that's a beautiful blue. All right, let's go on to the next palette. Someone's back. All right. Same thing, black cardboard, wonderful symbol. Again, fingers crossed. There's nothing wrong with these. There we go. Ooh, even prettier. Oh, this is, oh, okay. I'm loving it. These purples are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So the colors in here are Alphabet Street, Get Your Groove On, When Doves Cry, Fun Can Roll, Computer Blue, Indigo Nights, Delirious, Baby I'm a Star, DMSR, and Raspberry Beret. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let me turn on that light again, see if that helps. Alright. But these are absolutely just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I know the video is not doing it justice. The camera, the lighting, it's not doing it justice. So I done prepped my face. So I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm going to probably spend an hour trying to decide what I'm gonna do on here. I keep looking at the wrong direction. The camera's over here. So again, forgive me. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, what colors I'm gonna use, and then go from there. I'm sorry again, I'm new at this whole thing. I can't really zoom. I'm doing this on my phone. I got a camera, but I got to figure out how to use that as well. But I'm going to work on my face, and I'll be back.